Either if you want a private key on Bitget wallet, then you can just tap on Bitget wallet. Then you just need to tap on this 4 dot button at the top left corner. Then tap on your profile here. At the very beginning you will find your profile. Now in this page, in this interface, you will find private key. You can tap on it. Now select the coin, select the cryptocurrency that you want to get the private key for example the Bitcoin. Now you must need to enter the pin code that you have set for your account like this. After that it will start loading, and here you can see the private key. Here you can select one of these, for example this one or this one. You can copy it by tap on it. Now you can find the copy button. Now tap on copy, and here you can see that copying the pin private key to the clipboard is likely to be listened and copied by other apps. Are you sure to continue copying? If you are sure, then you can just tap on yes. Then it will copy your code here, private key code. Here it is, the first hub and the second hub. You can just it will split into 2 parts. Now you have to copy these 2 parts to use this private key, and actually this is most private thing that you have to hide. It is actually my demo account, that's why I'm showing publicly, but you don't need to show your private key to anyone that you don't trust. So you have to make it private. All the key are private key actually on your wallet. It will help you to secure your wallet and your Bitcoin, and for that secret transaction a private key is most important. So that's how you can just get the private key on the in your Bitget wallet. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Till next time.